Sky One Malabe.
ලංකාවේ දියුණු එතෙක් මෙතෙක් සුවිසල්ම විලාසිතා මන්දිරය අද මාලඹේ ඔබට අපට අවට හැමෝටම තිලිනවන දවස.
The name is Sky. So Mr. Kodituako showed that the sky is limit for all the entrepreneurs in this country. He started this business as a small venture in the home. So he has come to this level. So you can see this is a beautiful showroom. This is not just a showroom for the product and services. This is a showroom for the perseverance, encouragement, courage of a Sri Lankan entrepreneur.
We are proud to celebrate the grand opening of Sky One, the fashion empire. Thank you for being part of this exciting moment.
It all started 37 years back. This didn't happen overnight. So I know the whole huge story. It really is emotional because we all started from a 90 bike and a small shop where the owner was not even a boss there. He was actually an employee. So I'm honestly proud how long we have come here and how successful we are, because it has been a long journey. So my Amma and Tata, so they have sacrificed their time, their happiness, their freedom and all that. And they have come here together, and I'm pretty sure they are pretty proud of themselves when they look their back.
ඔව් අප සූදානම් ඒ සුවිශේෂ අවස්ථාව හිමි කරගන්නට ඔබටත් ආරාධනා කරනවා.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Pobodu and Maushi to receive our first loyalty card.